Hey there, productivity pros. Today I'm about to show you a super simple way to edit PDFs like a total pro without spending a single penny. We're checking out WPS PDF, an all-in-one PDF editor that's packed with features you're gonna love. You can follow along with me right now by downloading WPS PDF for free using the link in the description below. It's safe and secure. Go ahead, click it, and let's get started. All right, once you've installed WPS PDF, open it up and let's get to work. First, click on Open PDF and select the file you want to edit. It's that easy. Just drag, drop, and your PDF is ready to go. Now, let's say you need to fix a typo or update some text. Just click on the Edit button at the top and you can start typing directly on the PDF. You can change fonts, adjust sizes, and even rearrange text boxes. It's so smooth, you'll forget you're working with a PDF. If you need to add an image, no problem. Just click Add Image, choose your file, and drop it right into your PDF. Resize it, move it around, whatever you need. It's perfect for adding logos, signatures, or even a little flair to your documents. Now, here's where WPS PDF really shines. Annotations. Whether you're reviewing a document or studying for an exam, you can highlight text, add comments, and even draw directly on the PDF. It's like having a digital highlighter and sticky notes all in one. Once you're done editing, just hit Save As to keep your changes. You can also export your PDF to other formats, such as Word or Excel if needed. It's quick, it's easy, and it's totally free. And that's it, folks. Editing PDFs has never been this easy or this free. WPS PDF is a game changer and I highly recommend it. Hit the link in the description to download WPS PDF for free and start editing like a pro today. Now you know how to obtain WPS PDF completely free and unlock all its powerful features. But here's something even more exciting. WPS has its own AI tools. If you're curious how they stack up against ChatGPT, don't miss my next video, WPS AI versus ChatGPT. Which is more effective? It's on screen right now. Click it to see the complete comparison. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.